Welcome back, fellow Pyros. Firework guy. This is part 2 of the discount fireworks store video in May. Pyro Particles, $42. Swamp Gator is $41. Sublime is $37. Magnation is $40. Imagination, excuse me, guys. Mobster's $38 and Spider Nebula is $35. Bumpin' Trumpin' $56. Loud and Proud $45. Huge Gold Strobe is $40. Hawaiian Dream, I still like this cake, $43. I know they've changed it a little bit, but still one of my favorite. Fighting Rooster is $55, and Neon Swimming Stars is $58. Across the Line is $43, Tada is $35, Wings of Fire is $58, Prime Rain is $30, and Big Mother Clucker is $56. Broadcast Frequency, $35. Man, if I could talk today. Till Death Do We Part, $49. Bang Bros is $67. That one went up this year. American Intensity is $48. Impressionist is $55. Color Rage is $43. And Bullet Blossoms is $58. Crop Circle is $32. Proudly We Hail is $50. Hunker Down is $28. And Angry Pandas is $38. Eagle Pride, $44, guys. Occupy Mars, this one's coming home with me today, is $25. Once again, Fish Tank was $34, and Banana Split is $24. Hella Fasexy is $42. All Gas No Brakes is $53, and Magic is $41. Wine O'Clock is $60. Skyfall, still a good cake, is $57. And Demon Stinger is $27, guys. Everybody's favorite is Hit the Road Jack. It says 39 on 140, so it's either 39 or 40, guys. Pucker Up is $19. 1 Minute Ride is $31, and Fault Line is $28. Sea Breeze on these is $35 here, guys. Superman is $44. Night Lights $43, and Reaper's Eye is $45, and Split Personality is $42. Witch Doctor $40. Rush Hour 100 shots is $73. It's 3 minutes long, guys. Gorgiosity is $50. Cottonmouth once again was $26. Hemp Hooray is $34. I would definitely look at that video, guys. That is kind of a unique cake. Agent of Boom is $33. Notorious is $21. Moving on down the line here, Bloodhound is $48. Desert Standoff is $37. Yee Yee is $44. You got Max Load number 10, 40 shots, $80. Max Load number 3 is $39. Silent Power, $19, guys. Nuclear Fission is $20. Too Fishy is $11. Bottoms Up is $30. Junkyard Dog is $46, and Pool Party is $35. We're gonna go over here and look at some of this stuff. Yeah, Raging Willow is $15. Once again, Occupy Mars is $25. We got Star Spangled Saturn shot, 440 of them, and that cost is $75 there, guys. Flex is $9. Coconut Grove Song is $18. Got a bunch of these Roman candles here, guys. I'll just pick a couple out here and show you the pricing. Here's one for $9 for a pack of 5, 10 shots. Here's another one, 4, pack of 5, 10 shots a piece. There's some bigger ones. Looks like $10, 4 of them. Jumbo 8-ball assorted candle there, guys. Purely Americans, $110, 135 shots there, guys. Morning Breath is $36. Little fanny pack for the kids is $18. Black Dynamite is $120. Megawatt is $130. Amazing Ballet, 100 shots is $53, guys. That's mini. That's the mini version. For Goodness Snake is $109, guys. Silky Sweet is $48. Can't touch this. $38, guys. You've got some E-matches there, 20 pieces, $30. The Ignite Firing System Igniters is $20. 40 pieces once again for E-Match is 30 bucks. Winning color, $85, guys. Looks like you got some talons up here, $25. A whole bunch of them in there, so. Parrots Prattle is 48. 12 key remote with firing system. So you get a nice case with it, and you get 3, I believe, of those little 4 Q's firing systems in those. Firing system, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You can see the picture on there. I think you get 3 of those in that little container. So for 60, these right here are 20 bucks. All right, I'm gonna cut it here, guys, and I'll be back with part 3.